Here's a 2015 Kia Cadenza. Surpassing all expectations, this Cadenza's powerful presence is too big to be ignored. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, smartphone wireless charging, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Automobile calls it a big, comfortable sedan that'll happily eat up the miles on long road trips and not look out of place in a country club parking lot. Step into a Kia and be surprised. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.